I have a question for you. Which class in India do you think pays maximum tax? The middle class. And which class do you think is probably low on the priority of the politicians? The middle class. इसीलिए इतना complaints ना कि हम इतना tax भरते हैं, but क्या फायदा? Now tell me this. What do you think is the voting percentage amongst the middle class? It's less than 10. Why should people in power then care about us? उनको पता है कि ये लोग वोट तो करने वाले हैं नहीं. See, the poor, the lower section of the society always votes. चाहे हम कितना भी बोलें कि उनको पैसे दिए जाते हैं या उनको ब्रेन वॉश किया जाता है, the fact is they go and vote. And the ultra rich also vote. It's the middle class which does not vote. And they are most vocal about their complaints. I was talking to a friend and मैंने पूछा यार 20 का क्या प्लान है? I was shocked. He said क्यों 20 को क्या है? He didn't even know that 20th November is Maharashtra state elections. And he knew so much about the Democrats and the Republicans. Crazy. And what's the most common reason for not voting? कि मेरे एक वोट से क्या ही फर्क पड़ेगा? Well, research says फर्क पड़ता है. Just a 5% increase in the voting by the middle class ended a 15-year long term in one of the states of India which had a corrupt government. Just 5%. So many times we hear कि कोई politician कुछ 1000 votes के margin से जीत गए या हार गए. So your vote along with the vote of your family and friends can be the game changer. This time let's take a pledge. I will vote. Let's get inked. Because if you're not inked, you are a part of the problem. And एक और काम करना है. Make a simple list of 10 to 15 people, your family, your friends, whoever. And उनको एक message भेजना encouraging them to vote. इतना तो बनता है यार.